So here's a couple of simple tips that have helped me in replacing this differential oil seal. How do I know these tips? Because I've done it 3 times. The first 2 times I messed up. Here's the seal itself. This is the one I've pulled. It has a metal body covered by rubber, a flexible outer ring, and the inside ring right here has a very small spring that kind of keeps this inner ring of rubber around your axle. So the tall collar faces out and it goes in as such. You want to make sure this goes in absolutely straight. So the first thing I did is I took a little bit of Lucas Red Tacky grease. You can use any kind of grease essentially that you have, and I put a very light film around the perimeter of the seal itself. And the first placement is key. You want to put it in by hand, and I kind of came back over here so I could see it from the bottom, and you put it in as straight as you can possibly get it, and the goal is to get the rubber flush with the differential case here. The easiest way that I've found to install it is to get a PVC pipe like this. This is a 1.5 inch PVC pipe coupler. It's a slip coupler. It fits perfectly around the diameter of the seal, and then I just have a very small hammer. It's not heavy, it's not a sledgehammer, and I do a few taps at a time. So I've already gotten this worked in here, but I can still tell right around 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock up here, it's a little further out than the rest of it. So I'm going to put this on here using the factory edge that I have not been hammering on, so it's nice and smooth. And I'm going to try and tap it at around noon or 1. Again, tipping it up like this to put pressure where I want it to go. And maybe 4 or 5 taps, and then you feel it again. That's improved. Now I'm going to do it at about 10, 11 o'clock. And that's improved. And you just go around slowly. Be patient with it. 3, 4 taps at a time. Check it with your finger around the full circumference, and then tap where you need to. This is a great trick, a great tool, and by far the easiest way I've found to install it. Hope that helps for you. Thanks for watching.